Hey guys, Aslan here. In this video I'm going to share with you an amazing opportunity with you guys, which I am the founder of it. The reason I've done that is I've been in crypto from 2016 and I had many opportunities to do in 2017, 18 ICO, so many, because I have been running a community for a while now. So I've been running this group from 2017, June 2017. There's a pin post as well. So I've been running this group. I had a good sized community around me as well. I could have made a game, play to one. There were so many basic games when it came out. It was just like NFT rush. Everyone was rushing it. Then Meta was. So there was a lot of opportunities that I had. People approached me to be partnered and launch a project, but I never did, because I always thought I didn't want it to be a person like who does a cash grab and then just leaves it off. Because I said, look, I have a lot of things planned. I don't want to do it right now because I don't want to leave people behind, because that's not me. I never run for money, like chasing money. So it never been like me. So if I wanted to, I would have been not here doing something else, because I wanted to stay with community and be part of the community and stay in touch with them and help out others, help as many as I can. So that's why if you see, I've been making YouTube videos for many years now, 3 years ago, 4 years ago as well. So I've been like, there are some private videos. So I've been making videos for 5-6 years on crypto. If you see here, 4 years. So I've been making video for a while now, and I've been running community. I was just quiet in the middle. I left for 3 years because I just got busy doing other stuff. I got married, I got baby now. So I've been doing my own things in my life, and the money was working for me, and that's what happened. I've sold last year in May top. So I sold. Now I'm looking to buy. So I'm playing the game where not everyone is doing it. Everyone is looking at differently. So I calm mind. I'm happy with what I'm doing and everything. But now I came up with a project which I'm launching, which is free mint. I'm not here asking for money or anything like that. I'll be spending all the money, the upfront cost that's going to be Loco Pass. I've launched last night, and we already have 621 followers right here, and it's continuously growing. Every hour it's getting increased, and the supply is going to be very low, and there will be handpicked, because it's a free mint. I don't want flippers in my community. So it will be, Discord is locked at the moment. We are working on Discord because I don't want to rush bringing members in the group. Look, come in, it's an OG role and all that. I don't want that kind of thing. So I want to take things slow and grow it gradually, organically, and bring more members. I didn't push too much because I've just announced it yesterday. So this is the project. The link is going to be in description. This will be Alpha Group, a launchpad, where I will try to bring more whitelist to my community, create a strong community where we know things are going to happen, and then the utility come after, slowly as the time passes. Because right now I'm not promising anything. It's a free mint. I have no budget to build up anything. I'm not collecting any money to build up anything. So as the time passes, slowly I'll be adding utility to it. My first utility is I'll try to get whitelist spot for my community. That's one thing. Then I'll try to provide tools. I'll try to provide education. I already run a Discord group where I have a course, things like that. So that will help everyone to get on this trend and do things properly. I mean, there will be community that will help you to learn. Okay, there will be a lot of education there that's what I've been doing for like last 5 years, providing education. There will be education, there will be information about projects and what's good, not. You can ask in the community, and as I said, it's a launchpad, so there will be as much as I can, I'll do that. But again, there's something is built with the community. I will need community support with me because it's a free mint. I'm trying to grow it organically rather than spending so much money on marketing and then grow it artificially. And then you know what happens with so many projects. We've seen huge hype and then boom, to the floor. I want to grow it slowly, providing value, adding utility to it, so it will build up its own floor slowly and gradually, rising like so many projects we have seen. So this is the first thing that I'm doing. So the Discord, so you got the link in the description. There will be limited spots. As I said, there will be less than 1000 supply. I'm not exactly sure what supply is going to be, but it will be between 500 to 1000, but it could be less. I will see how it goes and how well it does, because I want to have a small but strong, good community. That's the goal right now here, having a community that really wants to stay and provide value to each other. So this is what the goal is going to be. And yeah, go in description, get on the link. There will be more updates coming. Set your alerts, notifications for this Loco Pass. Loco Pass, the name, I always wanted to have a loco in something, a project. So Loco Pass is, no one is using it at the moment. So Loco Pass NFT, getting the artwork done, which is going to be just a pass for now. I'm not launching any art, like if a profile picture art, nothing like that, because I want to keep it simple, grow it, and then eventually when we have later on a good community size, we can always launch profile pictures, and this will be the pass here. You will need to be whitelisted, so there will be chance to get this, or there will be, we'll see how it goes. There might be a little bit extra spots up to 1000, because I don't want to have a big art collection. That's not the goal. I always loved small community, because that's what I did with my Facebook, my Discord group. I didn't promote it heavily. I had small community, but I was very happy with that. So that's the goal always, having a small and good community that you can take with you anywhere you want, and support them and they support you as well. That's pretty much it from me. This is a short video introducing what's coming. Slowly I'll be sharing more stuff into this. But yeah, get into this. The links are going to be in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. And do subscribe to the channel. And I see we are growing very nicely from 5,000 to, in like how many days? 500 in like 7 days. I remember how long it took me to get even 5,000. So you guys doing amazing job. Thanks for supporting me and having an amazing day. Bye.